touching lives, that it's a bridge to bringing people to the work that we do from all aspects. Yung community natin sobrang integrated with the other communities na parang there's a convergence of all of these different communities in different industries coming together to make a better country. That to me is very special because when I was starting my own career, naging plan sa amin yun, a world that works with no one left out. One Filipino at a time.